Alrighty guys, what is going on in this video? I'm going to cover the heel elevated goblet squat. All same principles as goblet squat, but a few subtle differences, so I'm going to go over them, okay? So what I do is, you can get a 45-pound plate, or you can stack two 25s, whatever you want, but you're going to want to try to keep your heels elevated, okay? Heel elevated goblet squat. We got it, Eric, okay? So heels elevated, make sure your toes stay on the ground, okay? So as you can see, it's not anything too crazy, but your heels are elevated a little bit, okay? So from there, you're gonna grab your weight, and then all the same principles as a squat apply, okay? So your core is tight. This heel elevated squat, your knees will be allowed to go over your toes a little bit more than a normal squat would be, okay? So just show you no weight first. So from here, butt still gets pushed back. Let those knees go over your toes a little bit. As you can see, I'm getting pretty low. When your heels are elevated, you should be able to get a little bit lower, okay? And then right back up, all right? One more time. Butt still goes back first, and then allow yourself, think your hips are dropping straight down into the ground. Like you should be able to get pretty low here. I mean, I'm tall and I'm able to get this low. So you should be able to get low because once your heels are elevated, it allows you for more ankle mobility. If you have more ankle mobility, you will be able to travel farther forward with your knees, okay? So I'll show you with weight this time. So goblet, heel elevated, squat. Back, squat, squat, squat. Right there, right back up, okay? You should be trying to think about smashing your hamstrings into your calves, okay? So one more time, smashing your hamstrings into your calves. Right back up. I'll show you from the front view. Heels elevated, toes on the ground. From here, make sure your elbows are pointing straight down, no holding like this. Elbows are straight down, squeezing your armpits, core is tight, dropping down. Watch the knees, okay? They're not super in like this. They're still out. Right back up. One more time. I just did legs earlier, so these are really hard right now. Right back up. Guys, this is great for especially quad development because the farther forward you can go over your toes safely. If you have knee pain, I'll probably give you a substitute, but if you can do this movement, you'll be able to build these quads up very, very well, okay? Guys, that was the heel elevated goblet squat. Thanks so much.